Hello and welcome to day 15 of this Taskmaster Advent Calendar.
Hello.
I'm Dr. Gareth Moore.
And I'm Laura Jones.
And we are puzzle and brain training authors, and that's a very bright calendar. But yesterday we discovered that we had day 15 was here, behind this door.
Yeah, it's the first time we haven't found an object. We've been directed towards it.
It showed us where to go rather than looking for something drawn on the calendar. I see what you mean. So day 15, it says...
Series 1 of Taskmaster was aired on Dave in 2015.
Ooh. We have instructions for today, and they say...
Organise Alex's nice list. You have until tomorrow. Your time starts now.
Alex's nice list. Is that something somewhere else on the
Super.
calendar, or is it referring to
probably
this?
this.
Alex's notebook. Yeah, and in the room, it looks like a standard camper van. It's not actually a camper van, so it's an interior of a room of some sort.
Thing.
And I suspect that the differences between these rooms, and there are differences,
the skull's back.
Will be relevant to another day, or it's just a bit of fun.
Or maybe it's just fun.
Alex's notebook.
Beautiful.
Right, well, here's Alex's nice list. Organise it, and some underlined letters, clearly. We have Tyak Xiu, Majesterica. It doesn't seem to be... I mean, you can read them backwards, and maybe they make a bit more sense, but they're still not really words. I mean, this says like Key Tim and Gamel Ed. Sorry, Yamers. Are we
Ed
supposed
Gamble.
Where'd you get
Tim
that from?
Key. If you read them backwards, their names.
Oh, I see. The whole word. Well, no, you can anagram them because that's Katie. Otherwise, it'd be Cat. Katie Witt.
Katie Witt.
Are there credits on the calendar for people? Maybe they're real people.
I don't know.
This is Nick, for example, isn't it?
We need to have watched Taskmaster for this.
I have not actually watched Taskmaster ever. I did watch a 15-minute YouTube video before day one in preparation. A behind-the-scenes video, but I learned nothing about the show itself.
And we might be able to get some of
Let's see if these names are actually... Well, yes, but maybe the names are actually on the calendar.
I don't think they are.
Artwork by Natalie Chateauneuf.
They're all names of...
They're not names of actual...
They're names of
they're on the calendar.
actual comedians,
You think they're names of people who've been on the show? But what are we doing to get a word? So clearly some of these letters are underlined. Maybe if you unanagram the name, it gives you the position of the letter that's correct.
Yeah, maybe.
I mean, so this is clearly T, if that's correct. So what I'm saying is we anagram the first name to Tim.
Okay, yeah.
And this is Ed. And then the first letter would be an E. And this is... don't know. I don't know this one.
James Acaster, so that would be an A for the one number 2.
Well, this is looking good. It's going to be water.
Yeah, it's going to be water cooler, isn't it?
Well, it's not enough letters, but yes.
Okay.
This is James Wicks. Sorry, Katie Wicks, presumably.
Katie Wicks.
And whatever her surname is.
That's probably going to be R.
It begins with R.
Who is that? What's the anagram of that?
Well, this is...
Morgan?
What's this name here? Emma.
Oh, yeah. Emma Siddy.
And then we've got Lou, someone.
Oh, yeah. You're good at this.
I don't know any of these people, I'm afraid. But
you're good at anagrams, though.
And the first one is Nick.
Ooh, yeah.
So it's watermelon.
It is going to be watermelon.
So whatever this person's first name is, it begins with M. So I'm afraid I don't know.
It's not Morgan, is it? No.
Well, it's close, but there's an extra A. Morgana.
Morgana, there you go.
And there's an O here. So omens? Onams? Something like that. Anyway, the answer is clearly watermelon, and there is a watermelon on the calendar.
There is a watermelon. We're going to go away and do some Taskmaster homework. So we're hoping this would say day 16.
I think it is reasonable for a Taskmaster calendar to think you may have some passive familiarity with people who appeared on the show.
Brief favouritism for Taskmaster.
You say you've watched how many episodes?
Oh, a few, but I've also heard of those comedians as well.
And I have not watched 0 episodes, right.
Because they've named comedians on the doors or contestants on the doors all the way through, but I don't actually know if any of these people have come up.
They may have mentioned them on the calendar, I see.
Sam Campbell.
Born in September 1991.
But we don't need to know that today.
Yeah, which is the key point. It says day 16 and we were correct. Well, there we go. If you would like to join us when we have a look inside in more detail for day 16, do please check out tomorrow's video.
We'll see you there.
But until then, take care. Bye-bye.